ufisadi. Tumu yangu pambana nayo ufisadi Kenya.
Cost the world. I am here to motivate
so much. A round of applause for them as they walk up.
Karibu, our commissioner.
Of KEMSA as an ongoing story. EACC has taken that very, very seriously, and we look forward to strict punishment of those who will be found culpable. We are also monitoring the utilization of public funds designated for containment of COVID-19.
We will work tirelessly to collaborate with all stakeholders to mitigate the spread of this criminal and immoral conduct that is corruption.
Corruption has had serious consequences in Kiambu County in regard to development, but much more to loss of revenue and efficiency in service delivery, which as a result has resulted into failure to develop the county at the pace that we would have expected. It is my aim as the governor of this county to improve governance and public service delivery. I think that we have started over the last 12 months to achieve the needed transformation, economic transformation and growth.